Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. On today's episode, I want to show you my newest favorite product. It's called the Deluxe Cooking Blender. This blender cooks and blends all at the same time. I will be making this delicious and healthy broccoli cheddar soup. Let's get started on this super easy broccoli soup recipe. The entire soup is going to be cooked and blended in our Deluxe Cooking Blender. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need for the recipe. 2.5 cups of vegetable stock, a half an onion roughly chopped, 2 garlic cloves peeled, 2 heads of broccoli cut up, and then the add-ins will be 1 cup of baby spinach and 4 ounces of cheddar cheese cubed. So to begin with, all I'm going to do is add every ingredient into the blender. So we'll start with the stock. Then we'll add the broccoli florets. We'll add our half an onion that I've just got cut into big chunks. And the 2 cloves of garlic. I'll put 1 on that side and 1 on that side. And a little salt. Let's add a little salt to the top. The next step is to place the lid on. The blender won't actually work unless you have the lid on. And then now I want the soup setting. So that is on our heated side. So I do have a video tutorial talking about the different settings of our Deluxe Cooking Blender, so be sure to look for that. But I'm wanting to put this on our soup setting, and then all I do is press the button. Now the blender will heat up to 220 degrees and cook and blend at the same time. All right, so now we just gotta wait. Okay, so now that the cooking time is finished, it's now time to add the spinach and the cubed cheese. It's 4 ounces of cheese, cheddar. So we just remove the cap. Be careful because the lid is, or the glass pitcher is hot. We're just going to go ahead and add the spinach. Oops, I think I lost a little. And the cheese. Oops, to push cancel. And the cheese. And then we'll put the cap lid back on. And I'm just going to pulse it for 30 seconds.
A few moments later.
Cancel, and we'll turn it off. The soup is done and we're ready to eat. The whole thing from start to finish took about 30 minutes. So now what we're going to do is open it up. Oh, smells delicious. Got my ladle and I'll put a little bit in my bowl. You could always top it with a little more grated cheese if you like. I just like to add some freshly ground black pepper. Let me find a spoon so I can taste it. I'll let you know what I think. That is probably the best broccoli cheddar soup I have ever had. It's so creamy, all healthy ingredients. You saw exactly what I put in there. This recipe can be found in the cookbook that actually comes with the Deluxe Cooking Blender, but I will also post the recipe below in the description. Please make sure to like my channel, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified with any upcoming videos. Thanks so much and happy cooking. These are all the products used in today's video. I have put the links in the description, so if you would like any of them in your kitchen. And remember, please subscribe so you will be up to date with all of my latest videos.